auditory features serve multiple purposes. Versatile applications for every adventure, whether your dog is a city explorer, a hiking companion, or a socialite at pet events. Our collars shine. Nighttime visibility. Bright LED lights enhance visibility up to 500 meters, keeping your dog safe during evening walks. Socialization Tool. Interactive sound effects can spark curiosity in other dogs, fostering positive interactions. Event accessories. Customized collars for holidays, for example, festive lights and jingle sounds for Christmas or themed parties. Your journey to a customized masterpiece collaborating with our manufactory is a seamless experience. 1. Design consultation. Work with our experts to select LED patterns, sound effects, and color styles. 2. Quick prototyping. Receive digital previews and sample prototypes for approval.